Hey guys and welcome. In this video, we are going to review OneMain Financial Personal Loans, how they work, the pros and cons of OneMain Financial as a lender, the different steps in the application process, and the purposes the loans can be used for. So, let's start. OneMain Financial is a publicly traded financial service company that offers personal and auto loans or loans with collateral. Established in Baltimore in 1912 and as a commercial lender, they have gone through many acquisitions and name changes to become what it is now. OneMain is unique to other online personal loan providers in that they have over 1,600 physical locations or branches. This is helpful to borrowers who may have issues getting lending with traditional banks. This review will cover mostly OneMain personal loan offerings, even though OneMain considers auto loans like personal loans. Here are the most important advantages we found in OneMain personal loans. The application options. You can apply with OneMain online, by phone, or at a local branch. Many personal loan providers do not have those options. No or poor credit. OneMain helps borrowers that may have poor credit or no credit at all. If you have issues getting lending from traditional banks or other personal providers because of credit issues, then they may be willing to work with you. Better rates than payday lenders. If you've been using payday lenders to get by for credit, OneMain is definitely a better option. They have lower rates than those types of lenders, and a personal loan could help you catch up. Quick turnaround times. OneMain has a quick process, and many borrowers are approved or rejected within simply 10 minutes. Many borrowers have their funds by the end of their day. A rewards program. OneMain motivates borrowers by offering a reward program for those who pay their loans on time and do other activities, including signing up for direct pay and using paperless statements. Joint applicants. OneMain allows loans with joint borrowers. This can help improve your chances of getting approved. No prepayment penalty. There's no prepayment penalty on your loans with OneMain. And many payment options. Over a dozen payment options for their borrowers, including online, in person at a branch, over the phone, using the OneMain app, by mail, and your local Walmart store. 7-day satisfaction. If you no longer want your loan, you can refund OneMain the funds and sign a cancellation agreement. However, as with any lender, not everything is perfect. Here are the disadvantages you have to know before you apply. Higher interest rates. If you have good to excellent credit history and a strong cash flow, you can find better rates elsewhere. The lowest rate with OneMain, 16.05%. No soft pull. Many personal loan providers do a soft pull inquiry on your credit to see what possible credit options they can offer you. OneMain only does a hard pull from the start, which will affect your credit. Sign at branch. OneMain requires borrowers to visit a branch to review the loan and sign loan documents. Many personal loan providers use an application process that can all be done online. Restrictions on use. OneMain has more restrictions than other personal loan providers. Fees. OneMain deducts a one-time origination fee amount directly from your loan funds. This should be considered in the pricing of your loan when you apply. They also have other fees, such as late fees. Their fee schedule is not as clear because it depends on what state you reside in. But take into consideration that there are other lenders who do not charge some of these fees. And they're not available in all states. OneMain is not available in the following states: Alaska, Arkansas, Connecticut, Massachusetts, Rhode Island, Vermont, and Washington, D.C. Now let's discuss what a OneMain personal loan can be used for. OneMain offers personal loans for many different reasons, including debt consolidation, home improvements, life events, recreation, and auto. OneMain Financial Personal Loans cannot be used for any post-secondary education expenses, to fund a startup or an existing business, to purchase securities, gambling, or any other illegal activities. Debt consolidation and credit card consolidation. The OneMain Financial Debt Consolidation Loan pays off one or more prior unsecured loans with the new loan. Instead of multiple payments to multiple lenders, you can create one payment to one lender. The idea is that you can take high revolving interest cards and save money by replacing them with a low fixed rate installment. Home improvement. The OneMain Home Improvement Loan can be used for home repairs or renovations. The advantage of using a home improvement loan is that you do not have to use your home as collateral, and you get your funds much quicker with less documentation. Typically, it takes a month or more to get an equity line of credit on your home. OneMain has a very quick turnaround, so if those repairs were unexpected, you can use the loan to get repairs started quickly. Auto. OneMain offers auto loans that are both secured and unsecured. Unsecured loans can be used to cover auto repairs. The other offerings can be secured by your car. If you are interested, you can review the following links depending on what you are trying to do: auto refinancing, auto purchase, and cash out refinance. The rate changes on the secured loans are the same for the unsecured. Life events. OneMain's life event personal loan can be used for wedding costs, medical costs, or funeral costs. Whether the events were expected or unexpected, their turnaround is quick and easy to help you cover them. Recreation. A OneMain personal loan can be used for a number of recreational activities, including a vacation, buying a boat, RV, or motorcycle. This type of loan can also be used with collateral. Let's see how OneMain application process works. OneMain Financial allows borrowers to apply online, over the phone, or in person. Most of the time, an online applicant will need to go to the local branch to meet with a loan specialist. The online application process is simple and quick. The borrower usually gets a yes or a no answer within 10 minutes. The online application requires basic information about yourself and your finances. This includes the amount that you want to borrow, loan use, name, address, email, date of birth, social security number, phone number, employment, and monthly income. Read and agree to some disclosures, and then OneMain will do a hard credit pull and let you know if you've been approved. You then will have to make an appointment with a local branch to review loan options with a loan specialist. The specialist will verify information and ask for proof of ID, address, and employment or income. They will also review the value of your collateral if you're using it. Once loan documents have been signed, you can walk out of the branch with a check. You can also have the money transferred to your checking account or take a prepaid card. If you live remotely and do not live close to a branch, OneMain will try to work with you. They may call you, or you can call them at 1-800-961-5577 to move the loan forward. On the bottom line, OneMain Financial is best for borrowers with no or poor credit. OneMain could be a good fit for you if you have issues getting funding through traditional methods. OneMain does have high rates, but it is a much better deal than payday lenders. There is also a quick turnaround time, so if you're in a financial jam, they might be a good choice. But eventually, you should take the time to find more favorable financing. If you have good to excellent credit, you should look at other providers first, because they may have better rate offerings. That's it for now. On our website, you can find many more reviews as well as calculators and other financial tools. Do you have any experience with OneMain Financial? We would love to know your thoughts and your stories, so feel free to share them in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube.